go. Are you sure? Duh. Hey, what's this? It's a cup. Wait, what kind of cup do you think I'm supposed to? Let me take a check. Hey, it's 7-Ups. 7-Up? Oh, that's my favorite drink. Well, hurry up before you get more lives. Okay. Hey, I got 7 lives. Let me drink some. Ah, I love that song. Yeah, me too. Let's keep going. What's that? I don't like that sound. Well, me either. I'm scared too. I'm terrified. Okay. Whoa. It's a gigantic bug. Really? Let me see. Hey, buggy. Hi, buggy. Disgusting. What the heck was that? Looks like a giant praying mantis. It is a gigantic praying mantis. It's disgusting. Careful, there may be a lot. Wait a minute.
That's good. But wait, what do I do now? You do what you always do. You just keep going, okay? But there's no way out. Let me think back to that. Hey, we're moving. How's it? Let's set sail. Let's go. Wow, that was quicker than I thought. Where are we? How am I supposed to know? Stop saying how am I supposed to know. Like another castle? That's weird. We have another castle. I have no idea, but it's kind of cool. Cooler than last one. It looks the same. Okay, let's get down. Oh. Aren't you coming? Yeah. Good. Well, for you? Yeah. Okay. So how do we get in? I'll try this garbage company. Okay, I'll handle the garbage. No, I want to. No, I want to. Fine, you do it. Thank you. I'm back. That was quick. I handled it easily. Alright, there's no guards. Nice job. Thank you. Let's go in. Again. Skinny guy. Yes? A giant monster is right behind you. Stop kidding around. Look behind you. No. Okay, I'm looking. Jeez. Hey, skinny guy. Hey. It's nice to see you guys alive. Where's the guy that you captured?
hit him somewhere far away that you can't get him. It will get you. You don't scare me. Arr. You just scared that life out of him. That's what I do. I'm gonna beat you. Oh no, you won't. You know why? Why? Giant cat. Oh, darn it. He's gone again. In heaven. Really? No. Okay. So there must be another monster, right? How am I supposed to know? I was dead. Another monster? I don't see it. It'll be here. It's a cat! It's a cat! We have run! After a long time running. God, it's following us! That cat's still following us. Why is he following us? Who am I supposed to know? I thought I was confused. He just went. Okay. He seems to be... It's okay, I'm careful. I know. Okay. You escaped. Hey, where's Skinny Guy? Skinny Guy! Skinny Guy! Skinny Guy? How'd you get here? I don't know where you were. I couldn't find you, and the cat just attacked me. But I thought it was nice. Well, it was nice, but then it scratched me because it didn't like me. Okay, and then you just right? Yep, all the way up here. Take that, stupid caption! What happened? He threw a rock at me. Whatever. Let's keep going. Hey, where are we? Oh no, we lost trail. You're gonna be really loud. Bring him up. I'm so close to finding him.
Hey! Somewhere I quit. It sounds like, oh no, monster Damien. We have to help him. Help me. He's becoming close after all. We know this is just... Let's go. To be continued.
Hey guys, it's Codemaster12500, and I just want to let you know that we're going to be moving on to Codemaster 1's quest now that we did 10 videos of Cameraman Adventures. But just to let you know, the next video is not Codemaster 1's quest yet. The next video is the next update, so be happy about it, and we'll promise we'll make a few adjustments for it, okay? So now that is over with, okay? The next update is tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing the 2 videos on the weekend. Okay? So, thanks for watching Cameraman Adventures episode 10. And I hope you have a great time with your day. Okay? So, see ya later. Boing.